Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Closure by Taylor Swift, okay? It's a pretty confusing song in terms of the rhythm, but the chords are pretty simple. So just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So this is the intro and verse. C, D, G, C, C, D, G, C. And that's it for the chorus also. So that's your verses, that's your choruses. It's just that in the background there's something going. There's a piano playing something else. I'm not going to play that because it is confusing. But for the chords, this is it. Right? So that's... Yes, I'm going better. Na 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 na. I need no closure. Yes, I'm getting better. Na 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 na. And that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Let me know in the comment section any other songs you want me to, interpret. Preferably new songs. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.